You're listening to LeadAI.dev. Cognition AI unveils Devin 2.2, enhanced NLP and API features. Cognition AI's Devin 2.2 brings significant NLP improvements and new API functionalities, promising to enhance productivity for AI developers. What shipped? According to LeadAI.dev, Cognition AI has launched Devin version 2.2, which introduces notable enhancements in natural language processing capabilities and new API functionalities. Key features include a revamped NLP engine that now supports 150 languages, an increase from the previous 100, and the addition of 3 new API endpoints: /generate text, /analyze sentiment, and /summarize content. The new endpoints utilize an advanced transformer model, which allows for context retention of up to 10,000 tokens, facilitating complex data processing tasks. In addition, Devin 2.2 streamlines API response times, reducing latency by approximately 30% compared to version 2.1. This is particularly beneficial for developers working with real-time applications that require swift interactions, such as chatbots and virtual assistants. NLP Engine now supports 150 languages, up from 100. New API endpoints, /generate text, /analyze sentiment, /summarize content. Why this matters. The enhancements in Devin 2.2 are crucial for development teams of various sizes, especially those handling high-volume projects. Teams running more than 1,000 API calls per day can expect up to a 40% reduction in processing time, which translates to significant time and cost savings. For instance, previously, developers might have needed to batch API calls to manage load, but with the new features, they can handle real-time requests more efficiently. Moreover, compared to other AI platforms like OpenAI's GPT 3.5, which has limitations on language support and context length, Devin 2.2 provides a more versatile and robust solution for developers looking to integrate advanced AI functionalities into their applications. However, the potential downside includes a learning curve associated with the new API structure. Teams using 1,000 API calls/day will see processing time cut by 40%. Devin 2.2 offers broader language support compared to competitors. How to take advantage. If you're using Devin for text generation or sentiment analysis, here's what to do. First, ensure you're on the latest SDK version. Update your Cognition AI SDK to v2.2. Next, replace any existing calls to deprecated endpoints with the new ones. For example, change /old text gen to /generate text in your application code. This update should be completed within the next week to maximize the benefits of reduced latency. Additionally, review your existing workflows to incorporate the new sentiment analysis capabilities. This may involve adding a new function call to your existing text processing logic to analyze sentiment post-generation. Update Cognition AI SDK to v2.2 within the next week. Replace deprecated endpoints with new ones in application code. What to watch. As with any major update, there are risks and limitations to be aware of. Currently, the new API is in a phased rollout, and while most users should have access within the next month, some may experience temporary disruptions during the transition. It's essential to monitor community forums for updates and potential bugs as early adopters share their experiences. Moreover, keep an eye on the performance metrics of the new NLP engine, especially in high-load scenarios. Adapting to the new architecture may require some fine-tuning of your application logic. Thank you for listening. LeadAI.dev. Key takeaways. Teams using the new NLP capabilities can handle 150 languages, broadening their market reach. Developers can reduce API processing times by 40%, improving overall efficiency. Integrating the new API endpoints will enable more robust real-time applications. Market signals. Increased adoption of advanced NLP tools. The enhancements in Devin 2.2 indicate a growing demand for sophisticated NLP solutions in the AI market. What to do next? If you're experiencing delays with the old API, switch to the new endpoints this week for faster response times. If your team handles 1,000 API calls daily, prioritize migrating to Devin 2.2 to leverage improved processing efficiency. If you're unsure about the new features, schedule a review meeting within 30 days to discuss their implementation in your workflows. This has been leadai.dev. Stay building.